Okay then, let's create today's video. Today I choose this simple part modeling task. Let's create in part design workbench. Okay, select a sketch XY plane and polyline, dimension 70, 85, 135. Okay, height, select all, offset 10. I have to remove this line. I don't want these two lines. That's why I delete and create single one. Okay, let's check everything is perfect or not. Okay, and pad dimension is a 60. Okay, fillet radius is 15. Okay, select this face, sketch, rotate, convert entity. Okay, select this one, 15. I choose 15 because here is a radius 15. Okay, 30, 15. Okay, hide, 75, constraint, trim. Okay, let's check. Perfect. Okay, select this face, sketch, convert entity. This one and this one horizontal, and select equal. Okay, oops, I forget one dimension. It is 50. Close through all. Okay, fine. Now remaining this one, select this face, sketch, convert entity, 60. Okay, line, remove this one, trim. Okay, through all, complete, and remaining this one, and diameter is 30. So here we go. Our basic part modeling is complete. I hope you might be like this video. Thank you so much.